Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and today we're visiting with Janet Turley. She's one of the 4-H agents here in Warren County. I'm glad you're visiting with us today, Janet.
Glad to be here.
Well, Janet, you guys have a big kickoff coming up because State Fair is kind of the culmination of the 4-H year, and we're getting started for a new one.
We are, and our new year will begin on September the 1st. So we're going to have a huge, we call it 4-H kickoff night. It's kind of like an open house of everything that we feature in 4-H.
Yes, and there is a lot.
There is, we do have a lot to offer. And so it's going to be at the Warren County Extension Office. We're going to have it from 6 to 7:30. It's a come and go event, so they don't have to get there right at 6 o'clock. All of our club leaders will be there, featuring the different clubs that they are leaders of, and parents will be able to pick up information. It'll be club list with contact information and things like that.
And Janet, you know, 4-H is based around clubs, right? Where clubs, and whether that's a community club or a project club, and they usually meet about once a month, right?
They do. They usually meet about once a month. A lot of the clubs will meet at the extension office. Some of the clubs will meet off-site at different places.
Yeah. And so, but that's not all 4-H is about. There's also at-large activities, individual activities. And so just because you might not want to be a part of 3 or 4 clubs, there's still a spot for you in 4-H.
Oh, absolutely. So we do have 22 different clubs they could choose from. And of course, I don't want to join all 22, but we've got lots to offer there. But then we have other things, like you said. So there's 4-H camp, there's communications contests where they learn public speaking, they learn how to do speeches and demonstrations, there's community service, there's lots of different things out there. And so if there's a club that's not right for them, maybe, we're always looking for volunteers to create a new club, so that's an opportunity, or if they just want to join 4-H just as an at-large member.
Yeah, and they'll get all the information, and they can kind of pick and choose the experiences they might want to be a part of.
Absolutely.
Now,
Yes.
Janet, and I think there's a spot for everybody. Go ahead and enroll your child into 4-H.
A big plus there is to enroll your child. It's free to join 4-H. So that's what makes us maybe different from some of the other organizations out there. We are free to join. There's an online enrollment. It's pretty easy to do that. And then with that, we send out newsletters and email blasts to let people know what's coming up and the information and different events and things like that.
Yeah, and a lot of people think about 4-H, they think about livestock shows.
They do.
Right?
They think it's just for farming and cooking, but we are so much more than that.
Yeah, and so there are those traditional livestock clubs and the cooking clubs, but
Right.
there's art and all kinds of other things that kids can be involved in.
Actually, everything but sports. If you can think of it, I think we do that in 4-H.
Yeah, and so kids can come out, and I think there's actually going to be maybe some food available at kickoff
Yeah, we're
night.
going to have free food, free drinks, snacky kinds of things, but something grab and go as they're walking around looking at the different clubs.
Now, Janet, you also mentioned there's still opportunities to volunteer. So if somebody has a special talent or a gift and they want to share that with youth, there's an opportunity possibly for them to be a club leader?
Oh, absolutely. So we are looking for more club leaders with more clubs. And so if we don't offer something, just let us know. We like to think out of the box. Or if you'd like to help volunteer to be an assistant club leader, we have a club leader training on Monday, August the 31st. And so that starts at 6 o'clock at the extension office. That's where we will give out all of the information that you need to know to be a club leader.
Yeah, and it can be of any interest. I know rocks, forestry, water. There's all kinds of different things that you can share your knowledge with youth.
It is September the 3rd is the kickoff night, and it starts at 6 o'clock. It'll go all the way to 7:30, and it's going to be at the Warren County Extension Office.
All right, so we want to make sure that everybody is invited. Come out to attend. If you have kids, grandkids, or neighbor kids that are within that age range, 4-H does such a great job of developing leadership, life skills, and just a lot of fun. So we invite you to attend September the 3rd, 6 to 7:30, Janet, right here at the Extension Office. We appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show and hope you have a great day.